wonderful people. I believe do that first. I greet you, my people. It's a very sweet with dollar. That happen to dollar wow. Hello, my wonderful people. I see you. I salute you. No. I'm trying to get the contrast up. Welcome, my people. I greet you all. No say if you chop this, you will cover the seed finish, you can't suck the thing like breast. Imagine saying on this side where is a move breast for the sucker. This one saw the right way. My people, God doing actually okay. The lake make one name. I greet you. It should be time. Now evening, you don't reach 6. So welcome, my brother. The people of Osun, you people have seen that these criminals are not happy that people are returning back to the villages and enjoying themselves. You've seen that the sons of bastards, as we know them, sorry, I'm trying to let me button this. These sons of nobodies in that Bruno have started again, and they are now trying to create fear, tension in our communities. Now that shows you that these people do not have the interest of our people at heart. Never. Because if they did, they wouldn't be looking for a way they will buy people. Like, what is their gain in setting off an IED at the Kobahez market? They've done this thing last year. Now people are returning to the market. Just watch the video I posted. It's the last video I posted on the page. You will see people that the basket market. Go back months ago. You will see many videos. You will see many videos of people lamenting that that market is empty. No one was going there to trade. This is a market that has existed for centuries, as old as people habiting that Osun area in Ndi Igbo. Like, you can't tell the history of that place without mentioning that market. This is the central market of Awidemiri, Eko Bahez. This is a market many people from Ihioma, from Okoro, from Owerri, from Ihitowere, from Obibi Ochasi, from Omona. All these people are Kata, Nempi, Amanachi. All of these communities I just mentioned, Oburi Jofo. They all know that market. They all trade there. Even Osumohu people, Asia. Many people in some places in Ihiala, especially those that go do distant businesses, they know that Eko is at how they meet. So now people are returning, which is supposed to be a source of joy. This is something that should gladden the heart of anybody, and those that did not come back for this Christmas may now prepare for the next. So in order to scare people away again from the communities, I'm not talking about just how we them, because they will still extend it to all the other communities that are being recovered. Places like Umuho Kabia, Osu Itukwa, every place in Osu Itukwa except for Oda, which I believe will be in the next line of action. So they don't want to scare all those people away. People will run away. They themselves will now come back again. Many of them are hibernating at Asia. They're at Asia now, and Asia people have decided to cover evil. I'm just laughing at Allen Onyama and his preaching. If you people have not solved what's happening in Asia, then you are not serious with restoring peace and tranquility in the neighborhood. All these guys are still there. They are still operating there. Nobody is chasing them. They are not afraid of anybody. How would the entire Ihiala local government area will ever be safe if they don't solve the problem of Asia? Asia is the reason there is a huge threat in Osumohu, because any operation you want to carry out there and you did not solve the problem of Asia, it will not work. The same level of operation, that robust operation that covered Okigwe, where you have them in Ako, in Omulolo, then all the way to Arondizog side. You see how it's happening at Okigwe and happening at Arondizog at the same time. This is what needs to happen. There should not be a single amnesty program for anybody. The Anambra state government doesn't care about that area. Everybody knows this. All these communities that are at these border communities, boundary communities, there is a reason they are choosing them by design, because they know that almost every single state government in Ndi Igbo doesn't care about those boundary communities. Yes. That is the reason you still have some people in Imo State today that are calling on the federal government to add them to the River State, because the people of the River State that are around them, they are seeing what the government, their own state governments are doing for them. So, if Anambra state government does not want to solve Asia and Osumohu, maybe the Boundary Commission of Nigeria will have to redraw the map, give it to us so we can secure everything. Yes. If this is where the solution will come from, Anambra doesn't want them, then you should include them in Imo State, so the Imo State operative Tiger Base will extend to that side. The Commissioner of Police in Anambra State is Mutumbanza. Imagine somebody that is telling you that IPOB are not monsters. What? The people that planned this thing, this attack, are not monsters? Is that what you're telling me? I'm sure most of you have seen the videos. Have you seen? If you have not seen the videos, indicate I'll play it now. I will play you the video so you see it yourselves. We don't need this nonsense. We've had it with these people. Enough is enough. They are setting off explosives. Of course, they'll be using it to fight people in that area. Everyone knows. See the type of sad news they would have started this new year with. Eh? They just want to ruin it for everybody this new year, this new calendar year. see them here.
One for gram. What this one, Joanna? One, what's it? Good morning.
See shrapnels. See shrapnels. This thing will now, once the other one explodes, this will now buy people. All those things will lodge into people's body. See the shrapnels.
Drop this.
Just imagine the crude way they want to buy people. See where they put it between baskets. Once they call that number, it will explode. Good evening. It will explode. You see it. This is what they are seeing on movies. I told you people that it was from that magazine, that Okada magazine, that they learned to use all these mundane IEDs. We are lucky these people don't have access to sophisticated weapons. Wahala, they don't finish indeed. I told you people, this is when they started making these things, and it's my mistake. See the innocent Igbo youth. Yes, so the innocent Igbo youth. See the New Year presents they bought from Ndi Igbo. So my people, don't worry, we'll keep them on their toes. We'll keep exposing them. Later in the evening, we'll do our video on Wazirika and his own version of Biafra is about to start. We don't have to give space. An inch like this, we won't give anyone. Thank you, my people, and stay blessed.